Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Schwab Tax Document Access Tool, full guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling the Schwab Tax Document Access Tool, first, make sure your computer is turned on. Locate the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on the Start menu to open it. In the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter. Once the Control Panel appears, look for the Programs option. Click on Programs to proceed. Next, select Programs and Features. This will show you a list of all the installed programs on your computer. Scroll through the list to find the Schwab Tax Document Access Tool. Once you locate it, click on the program name to select it. After selecting it, look for the Uninstall option at the top of the window. Click on the Uninstall button to start the removal process. A confirmation window may appear asking if you are sure you want to uninstall the program. Click Yes or OK to confirm your choice. The uninstallation process will now begin. Wait for the process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once finished, you may see a message indicating that the program has been successfully uninstalled. Click Finish to close the uninstallation wizard. Finally, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. Your computer is now free of the Schwab Tax Document Access Tool. You have successfully uninstalled the program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.